Probably for a lot of people this looks gross, but it looks so good.
What are you doing?
Are you gonna eat it?
I want to bite.
Do you want to bite? Are you serious?
No, just on the avocado side.
Take a bite right there. Or no, this side.
What?
That side so you can match this.
Oh.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, that was a big bite.
Okay.
She matched the bite. I mean the missing piece, so I can just like go like that. But yeah, so I woke up. I'm gonna be eating and talking, if that's okay with you. I don't think I like eat very messily anyway, but yeah, so basically today's gonna be a really chillax video. Did I just say chillax? Okay, I'll go with it. Very chillax video, because yeah, I woke up and I was like, because I had to wake up and do my laundry. Yeah, so basically I just get bread, and I'm trying like gluten-free breads. Like gluten doesn't bother me as much as it did before, but I still like would like to like, you know, avoid it, I guess. But I'm not being as strict as I was anymore, because if you're gluten-free, dairy-free, red meat-free, egg-free, like, it's kind of hard to find stuff to eat. So I made the Just Egg that was frozen, because my mom was trying that one. But usually for my sandwiches, I've been just using the Just Egg in a bottle. So you just, you know, you make it as if you're like doing scrambled eggs. But I ran out of that, so I'm using this. And then I've been dipping it in this like buffalo sauce I got for free when I was working at the grocery store. Yeah, so my mom makes, you know, some stews, Korean stews, or sometimes miso soup. So most of the time we like have it in the house, so I could just eat it quickly for breakfast, lunch, anything like that, or even like as a snack. But yeah, so this is the, why am I drawing a blank on what the name is? 된장찌개. Soybean stew. I'm just gonna eat this before work, because, I mean, what time is it? What time? I think my watch is dead. I should probably take this off because it's got stuck at 12. So I'm like, I'm late. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. And then here I have some leftover jasmine peach tea, or peach jasmine, yeah. So like peach puree, it's like house made. Let's see, I'm just thinking about like lunch and dinner. I don't know if I'm gonna really have lunch at lunchtime per se, but because I end today at 3, so I'll come back and probably eat something, but I'll show you like my snack. So my mom like introduced us to the Go Macro bars, like probably like years ago, like a few years ago, and it's like, you know, high in protein, so like if you could like, you know, if you were going on a hike or something and you needed some easy like snacks, they're pretty filling. Sometimes they're like too filling, but yeah, so I'll probably take that. I usually just take one of those to work. Then yeah, so then I'll come home and probably eat like leftovers, because yesterday I got takeout from like my favorite Thai place, and I got 2 dishes, one to eat like then and then one to eat like today or tomorrow for like lunch or dinner, or like taking lunch to work or anything like that. So I'll show you guys that. You know, on days like, or on weeks like this where you're like pretty busy, you kind of just feel too tired to like make things, and that's fine, you know? Support your local businesses. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll make something else for dinner.
You can see the steam.
It's like sizzling. Haha. I put like the slices of broccoli on the very bottom. Then I put the oyster mushrooms on top. Then on top of that I put the sliced garlic. And I like just put some spinach on top too. On top of that. And then I put the salmon. Then I put the rest of the garlic slices just like on top. A tablespoon of butter on top. Just a slab of butter like that. And then boom. Boom. You can check lift it to see the other stuff. Yeah, but that's all like has all this butter and stuff soaked into it, so it's all good. It's all good. How is it?
It's good.
You just don't want to be on camera. You like the broccoli? You like it or not?
It's good.
Ta-da! It's always just like perfectly cooked. The mushrooms taste like bacon.
Even better.
I don't know why.
Even better.
Did it get burnt or something? Ah. know, probably for a lot of people this looks gross, but once you like it, you like it. And it just tastes so good. So today we're having some natto. Basically, it's fermented soybean and like they're like soy sauce packet and like mustard. Can't really talk because the dishwasher's running, so yeah, but this is how I do it. It's just like a really nice, like easy thing that you can do, like to have any time of day really. Wanted to include this dim sum that my mom just got because it looks so good. Okay, I don't know if this, okay, because I'm like editing it right now, and I'm like, maybe this video is just like what I eat in the morning, because I kept forgetting to like film what I would eat at night, because like yesterday night we ate pho, and I mean I could show you the bag that we got it in, but like honestly, like I completely forgot. I feel like in this video I didn't really, first of all, like make much to eat, like what I usually would do, since I was mostly at work during the day, and then I would come home and just have like dinner basically. I kept forgetting to film that, other than the salmon obviously. I guess thank you guys for watching this like kind of impromptu what I eat in a week, or what I eat in the morning. I don't know what to call it, because it's like, it's not like a full 7 days, and it's not like a normal week, I guess, because I'm not like cooking much. But I guess what I eat, I'm probably gonna call it something like what I eat in a busy week, what I eat in the morning. I don't know, because there's just a lot that I mostly just film what I eat in the morning, which I guess you could say it's like brunch, maybe. I don't know, man. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did and you want to see more, because it's like I guess my first mukbang video, if you want to see more, make sure you give a like and comment down below to let me know. And if you're subscribing today, welcome to my channel, I guess. So I guess I'll see you guys next week. I'll be doing something special for next week, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.